Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure power and connectivity are ready. Charge the headphones above 20% and power them on. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone or computer in settings, then put the headphones into pairing mode by holding the power or dedicated pair button for about 3 to 5 seconds. This sequence wakes the device's radio so your host can see it. Make sure the status LED flashes or an audible cue confirms pairing mode before moving to the next step. You now scan available devices and tap the headphone name that appears. This initiates a secure link. If a pair request appears, accept it or enter a simple PIN like 0000 or 1234. Most modern headphones don't need a PIN, but some legacy models do. Then wait for confirmation, a tone, status LED change, or connected label. Make sure to check codec or companion app settings if you want aptX, AUX, or SBC. You finish by setting the newly paired headphones as your device's default audio output and testing playback and microphone input with a quick clip or call. Once connected, adjust volume and grant any microphone permissions so apps can use the headset. If auto reconnect fails later, open Bluetooth settings and remove or forget the device, then restart both headphones and host and repeat pairing. This simple restart often clears conflicts and lets you pair cleanly. If necessary, consult the headphone app for firmware updates to resolve persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.